Question is asking what is this value? Is it okay? Now if you look at this part, reverse transformation formula. Cos A plus cos B. Cos A plus cos B can be written as 2 cos A plus B divided by 2 into cos of A minus B divided by 2. Correct or not? So I can say 2 cos of A plus B divided by 2, which is nothing but 6 pi divided by 14. 2 cos 6 pi by 14 into cos of minus 2 pi divided by 14 plus cos of 6 pi divided by 7. Okay, 2 cos 6 pi by 14 can be written as 3 pi by 7, right? 3 pi by 7 into cos of minus theta is cos theta, so I can write cos pi by 7. Okay, plus cos of, I can write this as pi minus pi divided by 7, which is nothing but cos of 6 pi by 7. So 2 cos 3 pi by 7 into cos of pi divided by 7. Cos of pi minus theta is nothing but minus cos theta, right? Cos of pi minus theta is nothing but minus cos theta. So I'll write minus cos pi by 7. So I can take out the cos pi by 7 out. If I take out the cos pi by 7 out, I'll be left with 2 cos 3 pi by 7. 2 cos 3 pi by 7 minus 1. Is it right? What I'll do now, multiply by sin 3 pi by 7 and divide by sin 3 pi by 7. Is it okay? Divide by sin 3 pi by 7. So what am I left with here now? I'll be left with the cos pi by 7 into 2 cos 3 pi by 7 into sin 3 pi by 7, correct, minus of sin of 3 pi by 7, correct, minus of sin of 3 pi by 7 whole divided by sin of 3 pi divided by 7, correct. Now if you basically see this part, 2 cos theta sin theta can be written as, what is it? Can be written as sin 2 theta, right? And I can write here, this can be written, sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 times, what is it? Cos theta by 2, correct or not? 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So what is your answer that we get to? Cos pi by 7 into sin 2 theta, so which is nothing but sin of 6 pi divided by 7 minus of sin of 3 pi divided by 7 divided by 2 sin theta by 2, that is nothing but 6 pi divided by 14 into cos of theta by 2. Theta by 2 is nothing but 3 pi by 14 into cos of 3 pi divided by 14, correct. Now sin A minus sin B, the formula is 2 cos sin A minus sin B, the formula is 2 cos A plus B divided by 2 into sin of A minus B divided by 2. Sin of A minus B divided by 2. So what is this answer that we get? We get the answer as cos pi by 7 into 2 cos 9 pi divided by 7. 2 cos A plus B divided by 2, that is nothing but 9 pi divided by 14 into sin of 3 pi divided by 14 divided by 2 sin 3 pi divided by 14 into cos of 3 pi divided by 14. Is it right? So what will I get now? Sin of 3 pi by 14 and sin of 3 pi by 14 will get cancelled. So your answer left over will be like this. So this 1 by 2, let it be like this. 1 by 2, this 2, let it be like this. Divided by cos 3 pi by 14 times 2 cos 9 pi by 14 into cos pi by 7 into cos 2 pi by 14, I'll write. Is it okay? I'll write like this. Now we know the formula. 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B can be written as cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Correct or not? Plus cos of A minus B. So what is your answer that we get? We get half. We get half times. Tell me. Cos of 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 will be 11 pi divided by 14 minus of cos of 7 pi divided by 14, correct, whole divided by what is it? Cos 3 pi by 14, correct or not? Cos 3 pi by 14. So now if we see this, If we say this, I'll rub this part so that you understand correctly. I'll rub this part. So if you see here, what is this answer that we get? Half times cos 11 pi by 14 can be written as cos of pi minus 3 pi divided by 14, right? 3 pi by 14 minus cos of pi divided by 2 whole divided by cos of 3 pi by 14. Cos of minus theta, I've told you, cos minus cos theta. So your answer to the question will be half times minus cos 3 pi by 14 minus of 0 divided by cos of 3 pi by 14. So your answer to the question will be equal to minus half will be the answer. This is a very, very important question, mark it.